Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a quick look at and of course installing the MMD Chin Spoiler for the 05 to 09 Mustang GT. Now in my opinion, you can't be an 05 to 09 S197 owner without picking up one of these chin spoilers from MMD. MMD is modern muscle design and they're an absolute staple in the community of Mustangs. This category is flooded with exterior parts from MMD because they just look so good. This particular option from MMD is a super thick option. It's a little bit thicker and covers more area than some of the other chin spoilers out there, and we know that there are quite a few for the S197 at this point. This guy here goes from wheel well to wheel well and hugs perfectly. It's such a good tight fitment around the front end. It almost looks like it could have come on the vehicle from the factory, which has always been MMD's motive. They want to make parts for your Mustang that stand out from the crowd while still looking like it could have come OEM. Now this guy is a thermoformed ABS plastic, which is a nice thick, very durable, impact resistant plastic. It's a textured matte black finish, which blends in really well with the factory grille. This is not going to fit your front bumper. If you're a V6 owner, you'd have to pick up the GT front bumper or front fascia in order to get this guy installed. Now this one is going to use 3M automotive bonding tape right around this section here, that top lip that goes under your bumper. It's going to retain the two factory's Phillips head screws in each one of the wheel wells to add some support. Now the install is going to get 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. The price for this guy comes in right around 150 bucks, making it pretty affordable and really impactful for your front end. And it'll take you about 30 minutes from start to finish to get installed. It's super simple. I'll walk you through the whole process. Let's get started. All right, tools used in this install include a knife, clean microfiber, soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle, and I used a Phillips head socket and a ratchet, but a Phillips head screwdriver works just as well. First step here, grab a Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to remove the 2 Phillips head screws on both sides in our wheel wells. Now, there's not a whole lot of room here for a Phillips head, so I have my ratchet and a little Phillips head socket. What we're gonna do is head in here with that 90-degree angle and get these off. Now, if you don't have one of these and you only have a Phillips head, you may either need to hop in the vehicle and turn the wheel all the way for both sides or remove the wheels altogether. All right, same thing on the other side. All right, so we got our chin spoiler on the table here, and what we're gonna do is take the 3M included in the kit, you'll get a roll of it, and we're gonna cut it out to the length that we need to stick it onto our spoiler. Now, I've already pre-cut them. They're not any specific length, you're just gonna measure out each little section here. I put 1 on each side and then 1 right in the middle. So our longer strip that you see here, I'm gonna put in the middle. Now, the spoiler actually installs like this. This is the bottom, here is the top. The 3M is gonna go underneath that top portion there and connect to your bumper under that lower grill. So we're gonna flip this guy over and focus on the top, which is now on the bottom of the table. So let's take our longer strip, and I'm gonna put it right about in the middle here, going across. And so we're just applying that to that middle section, and like I said, this isn't a perfect science, so there's no specific measurement you need to measure out here. You just wanna put it where you see fit. I like to make sure there's one big portion in the middle, and then little sections on each end. Now this one doesn't have as much of a surface area on the end, so we're just gonna kind of roll it up onto the top here, but you want to keep it tight around the edge. If you go any higher here, it's gonna start to get toward the bottom of your bumper. You want to keep it up toward the grill. All right, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So at this point, we're gonna clean off the front bumper. Now this is a crucial part of the process. You don't wanna skip over it. I'm using a soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle and a clean microfiber. You can use a clean sponge, you can use clean microfibers, whatever you have. You just don't wanna use anything chemical heavy like Windex. You wanna make sure you're giving the 3M tape a really good bond with your factory paint. Now we're gonna use this crease here as our marker, kind of cleaning on both sides of that. So I'm just gonna spray the vehicle and then take my clean microfiber and wipe her down. All right, so now we have the chin spoiler, and what I did was I peeled off half of the backing on each 3M tape strip and draped it over the front like that. So when we apply it, we'll be able to have it a little bit in place, secured with some of the 3M that's hanging off, and then we'll be able to position it where we want to. I'm gonna put 1 screw in each wheel well to hold it in place, and then we'll have easy access to peel off the rest of the backing. I'm gonna hook that around the front. hold it in place, put my screw in. All right, so it's a pretty snug fit, so you'll want to pull it over the edge like that and put it up into place, and again, just put your screw through. All right, so the screws are kind of keeping our place where we know we want it to be on the ends. And then from there, you can take a look at the front end, position it where you need it to be. So this end's gonna come up a little higher. Then we're gonna press down and peel off the 3M tape excess. All right, put firm pressure all around, and now we can go back and tighten it down on each side. Same thing on the other side. So that's going to wrap up my review and install for the MMD Chin Spoiler for the 05 to 09 GT. And again, guys, this is going to make a huge change to the front end, just adding a lot more of an aggressive, bold styling to your Mustang. Get yours exclusively right here at AmericanMuscle.com.